Hey, g'day my friends, how are you today? So, got the Winterketten still coming along very well now. We've got both tracks on, and it looks really good with the tracks on. With those Winterketten tracks, they look really mean. So you don't need to go get other tracks. The plastic ones they include in the pack, Miniart include in the pack, is more than fine. But this is the February version, and this is the March version. So the big differences I've noticed with these two here is that this has got the older style fenders and this has got the newer style. So you can see here, even at the back, that tread goes all the way to the back there. Hold on, I'll let the cat out. It's raining though, Elsie. You know, all right, have a go. So that goes, the track goes all the way back, the tread. It's got a different way of installing it and all that, so there's different kinds of attachments under there. This one's got the older style one, you can see there, and these ones can actually fold back up and all that, and it's also got a little bit of a dip right here where this one doesn't have a dip there. And also the configuration of the tools is different. So you can see here we've got the shovel and that, well, that's already got an axe. And you can see here the fire extinguisher goes straight, where in this one it's got the angle. Also, you've got the newer kind of rear light thingy there, where this one's got the old Panzer IV kind of one that they use on the Panzer IVs. It's also got a stopper there to stop the actual fender there when you take it up, so it doesn't go too far back. So it's coming on really well. Really happy with it. Got the gun a lot better, straighter, which is nice, and it's got this real little muzzle brake where the more modern one, this is a month older, has got the bigger muzzle brake. But apart from the fenders, there's not much difference. Oh yeah, you got the front armour here. So with this one, you've got the cutout there, so the driver can see through his scopes. But this one, it's just been cut out. This one has smoke discharges, but this one doesn't. So there's a couple of differences, but not a whole heap. It's a lot different to the CD chassis. Or the EF chassis. The EF chassis is very similar. It's just got a an air filter there, and slightly different. I think this is raised up slightly, but yeah, these was really changed for the G model. Looking really cool. Also got the figures coming along. So this is going to go on with the 75mm pack. And I've got a building a power line to go with it. So just getting the wood part ready. Now I'm gluing on some power lines. That'll go on this diorama over here. The machine gunner and the electrical pole will go there. And I've got the rest of this crew, so the Totenkopf crew, and they're going to go with this Totenkopf tank here for Panzer IV. And I was just sort of putting on some insignia and all that. Their eyes are too big, of course. But that comes down again. Ho 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 ho. But yeah, just sort of putting the SS on. Bloody cameras. Putting the SS on. I've also got a Totenkopf armband. I don't know if this is the guy. Oh, there it is. See the Totenkopf armband? Pretty cool. This guy's pretty advanced. But they're coming up good. They're by Miniart, really actually quite good. But I'm going to mix in some resin figures. This is a bit dodgy, this resin figure. Might need to cover up the rear of the neck there. It's just horrible. Not molded very well. But it comes along. It is what it is. And here's another Lanza. Put a Totenkopf on him as well. Armband. They'll be ready soon. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I'm really enjoying making up this Stug. Taking my time though. Usually build them a lot quicker than this, but it is what it is. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again soon.